Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Skillet. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a fantastic futures trading platform called Weex. So many of you guys know that futures trading is one of my absolute favorite ways to make money in crypto. So with futures trading, we can essentially profit off the price movement of crypto assets, whether they go up or whether they go down. Of course, the crypto markets are notoriously volatile, and futures trading is one of the best ways to take advantage of that volatility. And Weex is one of the major futures trading platforms that has a ton of benefits to offer. And as you'll see in just a moment, I've partnered up with Weex and they are going to absolutely hook you guys up. So for a limited time, Weex is offering you guys the opportunity to get up to 5,000 USDT when you deposit onto the platform. It's a really insane opportunity. It's absolutely free money. And of course, I'm going to explain all the details about exactly how all of this works in just a moment. Now, Weex is one of the few trading platforms that does not require a KYC. Plus, they have compliance licenses in both the US and in Canada, along with other places around the world. So no matter where you live, in most parts of the world, users will have access to this platform and all the benefits that come with it. So we're going to get right into it, guys. But first, before we get into the video, if you're new to the channel, welcome to Crypto Skillet, where we talk about all things crypto and I share the latest and greatest DeFi projects and ways to make money in the crypto space. So if that's the kind of thing you're into, then go ahead and leave a thumbs up on the video and subscribe to the channel. And do keep in mind that none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm an investor sharing my thoughts, experiences, and opinions. So always do your own research before you make an investment of any kind, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. And now with that said, let's get into it. Okay, so here is the main Weex website, and as you can see right here, they have all kinds of cool opportunities. Like right here, it says you can win 10,000 USDT every week. Just trade any futures pairs with 50 to 100x leverage. Now, as I told you guys, in addition to these standard weekly opportunities, Weex has now partnered up with the Crypto Skillet channel, and they're offering you guys a very, very special opportunity. So as you can see right here, you can make a deposit and you can get up to 5,000 USDT. Now, this is only going to last until October 25th at 5 UTC time, and you must use my link down below in the description, and you'll be able to see this countdown timer right here that'll let you know how many days, hours, minutes, and seconds are left on this opportunity. Now, as we scroll down here, you can see that the participation conditions are that all Crypto Skillet's users can participate. So when you come here to this website, you can simply click the Register Now button, and then here we can see some more details about how this works. Okay, so for the deposit rebate, it says deposit the specified amount of USDT as shown below to receive a USDT bonus. The more you deposit, the greater the rewards. Claim up to $5,000 in prizes right now. Okay, so here you can see the amount of your net deposit, the amount of trading volume, and the total prize amount that you can win. So if you deposit greater than or equal to $100, there's no trading volume requirement for this level, and you can get 10 USDT bonus. Now you see, as you go up with more and more net deposit, along with more trading volume, the prize amount increases all the way up to $5,000 in USDT. Now again, you do not have to KYC with this platform, and if you're claiming up to $100 in USDT bonuses, that is going to stand. Now, if you're claiming more than that, so if you're claiming the 5,000 USDT bonus, for example, then you will have to KYC, but of course that's completely up to you, and KYCs are not required to use the platform or to earn these lower levels of these bonuses. Now, they have a little more information about the event description. So it says this event is exclusively for Crypto Skillet's users. And as I just mentioned, if you're claiming rewards that are more than 100 USDT, you will have to complete that KYC, but otherwise you do not need to do so. Now, the rewards are BTC/USDT bonus and will be automatically distributed to qualified users within 24 hours. Now, users must fulfill the deposit requirement for their deposit amount to be considered in reward calculations. Any deposits made outside of this time period will not be included in the reward calculation. Okay, so again, this is a limited time opportunity. You have to make those deposits before October 25th at 5 UTC time for this to apply. Okay, now here they tell us how they calculate this. So the calculation of net deposit amount is as follows. From the start of the event, the net deposit amount equals the deposit amount minus the withdrawal amount, and internal transfers within Weex accounts are not included. Now, to claim the rewards, users must have a net deposit amount equal to or exceeding the activity requirements. The maximum amount of USDT bonus that users can claim corresponds to their deposit requirements. Now, only futures trading counts toward the trading volume. So if you're doing spot trading, wash trading, and any forms of artificially inflating trading volume, that will not be considered in a user's trading trading volume. And of course, any malicious activities, including but not limited to creating multiple accounts for profits or falsifying KYC information, will result in disqualification from the event. So how cool is that, guys? They are going to absolutely hook you guys up, and as I mentioned, they have lots of other benefits as well, and they remind us right here again, if you trade with 50 to 100x leverage, you can win 10,000 USDT every week. And in addition to that, they have airdrops and giveaways weekly, and you can find out more about those on their Twitter and their Telegram communities, and they have all that linked down here as well. Now, to give you a little more information about this platform, we're right here at CoinMarketCap, and they tell us about Weex. So it says the Weex exchange is a cutting-edge digital currency exchange established with a $100 million investment from Singapore's leading blockchain investment firm. Offering spot trading, futures trading, and OTC trading, Weex prioritizes user fund safety by establishing a 1,000 BTC user protection fund with its address publicly disclosed. The core team members hail from Wall Street, Silicon Valley, Citibank, Google, and other top-tier financial companies, boasting over a decade of experience in the blockchain industry. The management team is based across Singapore, Taiwan, Dubai, and other global locations. Weex currently holds MSB financial licenses in the US and Canada, as well as the SVGFSA license. Embracing a customer-first, partner-first business philosophy, Weex Exchange is dedicated to provide a highly secure one-stop cryptocurrency service while fostering win-win cooperation to create abundant business opportunities for our global partners. Now, this platform has tremendous liquidity depth. You can see right here their spot trading volume in the last 24 hours is over $207 million. And if we come back here to the main website, you can see that they have over 1 million total users. And again, there is that 1,000 Bitcoin protection fund. Now, as we scroll down, it says, why choose Weex? Of course, they have compliance operations. And as I mentioned, this is friendly to the USA and to Canada. And there's not that many platforms out there that can say that. Okay, now, of course, they have a very smooth experience trading futures as well, along with a copy trading feature, which I know many of you guys might be interested in too. Okay, it is also safe and reliable, and as I mentioned, they do have that protection fund. Now, they also have the Weex Academy, so if you need any tutorials or additional information about how to sign up, how to deposit, or how to copy trade, they have all this information right here. And they also have mobile apps that you can get right there on your smartphone. So you can scan this QR code to download, or you can use these buttons down here. So if you're an Apple user, you can use this button to download the app to iOS. You can also get it right here on Android. You can use the App Store or Google Play Store as well. So once you've signed up for your account, this is what it looks like inside the futures trading area. Of course, if you need to deposit funds, you can do so by clicking the deposit button right here, and just take a look at how many pairs they offer. Okay, so this is the entire list of all the pairs that you can trade here, and as you can see, this is quite a long list. Again, this is one of the major trading platforms, so this is to be expected. There are tons and tons of options here. So whether you're more into trading the blue chip cryptos, or if you prefer the small to mid cap cryptos, you have lots and lots of options with the Weex exchange. So this one has all the familiar features that you would expect with any major trading platform. So obviously you can set limit orders, market orders, trigger orders, etc. And if we look at the leverage right here, you can see that you can adjust this leverage all the way up to as much as 200x in certain cases. So you can either just slide this manually, or you can actually specify an amount. So you could just enter a specific number right here. So if you wanted to trade with, let's say, 120x leverage, you could just type 120 right there, or any other number that you choose. So a very solid platform overall. And again, that's why I've decided to partner up with Weex, and that's why they're bringing you guys this fantastic opportunity. Of course, you don't see opportunities like this every day, and this is only going to last for a limited time. So again, just use that link down below in the description. And of course, if you're into crypto, if you're into futures trading, then you need to be subscribed. So make sure you click the subscribe button, hit that notification bell as well, so you don't miss out on my future videos. And also feel free to follow me on Twitter, or X as it's now called, and make sure you join my Telegram group as well. That's where I post a lot of my trades, a lot of information about trading. So that's definitely the place you need to be. So I've got links for both of those down in the description as well. So if you got value out of this video, do me a favor and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And of course, as always, do remember that trading is risky. Everything in crypto should be considered high risk, high reward. So make sure you always practice proper risk management and never invest more than you're willing to lose. And so with that said, guys, until next time, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again in the next video. Cheers.